Hello! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am Noreen Gonda, a 4th year BS Pharmacy student in University of Makati. And some of you might know, I'm also a graduate of Regional Science High School from Mimaropa. So hello sa mga RS Asians dyan. Graduate ako on 2018. And also, I am part of the first batch of K-12, thus part of the new curriculum. So I'm actually planning a different video, pero dahil maraming nagko-comment and nag-message sa akin regarding college entrance exam ng UMak, here's the video for it. Meron na naman kasing entrance exam ang UMak. Binalik nila. So in this video, I will talk about yung review center, my college entrance exam experience, the coverage of UMak entrance exam, which is yung pinakamaraming curious about that. And in the last part, I will tell you the mechanics of my giveaway. So without further ado, let's start. So I actually applied in 3 universities and 1 academy. One is University of Makati, and then FEU, and then University of the Philippines, and then MMMA. MMMA sa Maritime Academy. So hindi ko naman balak mag-see women, pero natripan lang namin na mag-take nun, kaya ako nakapag-take na exam nila. So why those 3 universities? So in summary, dahil lang yun sa budget and sa living expenses. I'm telling you those stories for you to know that I did not apply just in the University of Makati, but I prepare for the college entrance exam in general. So that's why nag-review center kami. So my review center is called Uplink, so I will link that in the description below. We did a face-to-face review at that time in UP Diliman. So your probinsyana girl went to Makati and then to QC, to Quezon City, for a review. They did not just help us in the review itself, but they also help us to choose kung ano yung right course and university for us. And the review runs about more than a month. So yung schedule nila kasi is medyo kalat and half day sila. Ito pala yung reviewer na binibigay ng Uplink, and maganda siya. And very comprehensive. Meron din mga practice questions dito. I can barely remember kung ano nangyari during the entrance exams. But for UPCAT, meron siyang designated schools. So in a province, may designated school kung saan kayo magte-take. And the same with FEU. But in UMak, sa UMak ka lang pwedeng mag-take. Wala ata silang other school na pwede mong pag-takean. So you really need to go to Makati. So the coverage of entrance exam in general are 1. Abstract reasoning, language, mathematics, science, and general knowledge. So sa 5 yun lang umiikot kahit anong entrance exam na i-take ninyo. So abstract reasoning is more of the visual. So magpapakita sila ng iba't ibang pattern, and then titingnan mo kung alin dun yung kasunod na pattern. So example is here. I'll give you time to analyze, and then I'll show you the answer. Mahirap ba? Mathematics. So alam nyo, basic math, algebra, word problems, geometry, probability or statistics, and then meron ding advanced mathematics. For science, we have general science, geology, physics, astronomy, biology or anatomy, and chemistry. Yung chemistry part talaga naging very helpful siya sa akin during my pharmacy, first year in pharmacy. So yung language in UPCAT is quite interesting because aside from, you know, the generic na English and Filipino, in UPCAT parang pinafamiliarize sa amin yung mga some words in other dialects like Bisaya kasi minsan may lumalabas na ganong items. But again, in FEU and in UMak, English at Filipino lang. So that would be the proper grammar in both English and Filipino. Then in general knowledge, for what I remember, ito yung mga basic facts and sometimes history. For example, what is the highest mountain in the Philippines? So, Mount Apo. Mga ganun lang. Actually, hindi ako nag-aral sa general knowledge because hindi ko alam kung anong pag-aaralan ko. So, ano yun, basta-basta lang ganun. In UPCAT, medyo madali yung science nila, pero mahirap talaga yung mathematics nila. And in UMak, I must say, it's easier compared to other universities na entrance exam. My suggestion, if you will take college entrance exam in different universities, join a review center. They will be helpful kasi yung coverage nga of the entrance exam is all the topics on your high school year. So, mahirap siyang i-collecta. But for me lang naman ha, in my opinion, if you're just going to take yung University of Makati entrance exam, don't suggest na mag-review center pa kayo because it's quite easy. Kayang-kaya nyo na siya sa self-review. So, yung reference na ibibigay ko sa inyo will be very helpful for a self-review kasi at least meron kayong timeline and meron kayong mga topics na aaralin. Nape-pressure na ba kayo? Do not be. Kaya nyo yan. Just trust God na makakapasa kayo in your right university and in the right course na para sa inyo talaga, okay? And eto na! Drum roll! For our first giveaway, I will give 20 students access to my reviewers. In all topics na yun ha. What I want you to do, of course, dapat may mechanics. Number 1 is first subscribe to my YouTube channel. Number 2 is like and share this video in any way that you can. Basta itag nyo lang ako, okay? Noreen JDG. And also, follow me on Instagram kasi yun yung magiging means of communication ko sa magiging winners. And last but not the least is comment down below why I should give you access to a free reviewer. So I will announce the winner on April 22, 6 p.m. Kasi to give time para magamit nyo yung reviewer kasi I know na May yung entrance exam ng UMak. So, good luck! Yun lang, and sana makapasa kayo sa mga dream universities ninyo. And if you have more questions, please just comment below. Yun lang, bye-bye!